Hello again, it's Graham at Red Frog Archery. Today I just want to do a quick review of the new Kinetic Meos 21-inch CNC machined handle. There hasn't really been much choice in the way of 21-inch, so you end up with a lot of youths, small adults who want a big boy's bow, but it's very difficult, or has been in the past, to give them something that looks and feels like a full-size handle without it kind of looking a bit club bowish. So this is the new one. We're going to unbox it and we'll just go through the specification for it. Okay, so this is the Meos in the Kinetic brand. In the box you get a set of instructions on how to adjust, and we'll come on to the bow in a minute, but the adjustments are just the same as on a full-size bow. And in here you get your Allen keys for adjustment. There's a clicker extender, and there's also, this is an additional one by the way, there's one comes on it and this extends it out even further, and there are 4 spare nuts with a touch of thread lock on them for tiller adjustment, etc. And the bow itself comes in a rather fetching ripstop bag, very hard wearing. As you can see, it's all branded up as well. The bow itself comes in an anodized finish. There is also a dipped version called Tactical, which looks quite nice. But you can see from the bow itself, this is a CNC machined handle. It's 21-inch, so in a short limb that's going to give you a 62-inch handle, and in a long limb it will give you a 66. So the handle itself, although it looks like wood, is actually plastic with a wood grain effect. The bow itself weighs 900 grams, and as I say, it's a machined riser in aluminium, and it has the open pocket design. You've got your adjusters for your tiller, again pocket adjusters top and bottom, and all the ports are standard ports for your stabilizers, button, clickers and sights. So if you compare that bow now to a full size, this is a Stark CNC handle, you can see the difference in the size here, but it just means that if you have a youth who is really getting into their archery and wants to progress away from a sort of lightweight, cheap screw-in limb handle to something that's ILF and looking more like a proper bow, then the Meos is definitely the way to go. So if you want to know more about the Meos handle, you can go to our website, the link for which will be appearing on your screen shortly. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them below and we'll do our best to answer them as quickly as possible. Thank you for watching.